Prabhupada ki 108 rounds Ekadashi Japa Yajna ki Shri Radha Krishna Chandra ki Krishna Balaram ki Nitai Gauranga ki Srinivasa Govinda ki Prahlad Nrsimhadev ki Hare Krishna Hill ki Hare Krishna Mahamantra ki Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Japa Seva means it's our meeting with Krishna to give him seva. In this world, 24 hours, we are continuously encountering, continuously interacting with different people, different situations, different things. These different people, different things, different situations, they are all characterized by one common character, one common quality, that they are all limited. In other words, day and night we are interacting with the limited. Let's say I talk to you, I am limited, you are limited, we are in a limited situation. We deal with limited things, limited people. Now get a feel of this. Japa is a meeting of the limited person, we, with the unlimited person. It is a completely different kind of interaction. We deal with any avatara. We are meeting the unlimited person. The infinitesimal we are. And infinite is the Supreme Lord. As a person is infinite. We are finite with finite qualities. Krishna is an infinite person with infinite qualities. Yet he can be finite. The finite is included in the infinite is not included in the finite. So this we should always remember, that when we are starting doing japa, you are relating with the unlimited. You are relating with God. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam yo bahunam yo vidadati kaman. That supreme eternal is maintaining unlimited, infinite, small eternals. This is from the Upanishads. So all the Shastras reveal that in Kali Yuga, Krishna, the limitless, the unlimited, the infinite person with infinite energies, infinite love, infinite compassion, infinite attraction, infinite kindness, infinite power. That Supreme Lord, it is said, Kalikale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatara. So in the form of his name, as Shabda Avatara, the scriptures have revealed the secret that God is before you as soon as you chant Krishna. So this is called Shraddha. If you don't have Shraddha when you are chanting, then it becomes mechanical. You are thinking that you are chanting some sound you are producing. No, the Lord enters, Lord's sound has entered that sound. And that sound is infusing all Shaktis into this Avatara Shabda. Avatari and Avatara. Avatari is a Shuddha Nama of the Lord, which is eternally vibrating in the spiritual world. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Eternally vibrating in the spiritual world. That eternally vibrating Nama in the spiritual world cannot be chanted with the material tongue or material ears. Dasa, Sri Krishna Namadina Bhahed Grahyam Indriye. He cannot be captured by our material senses. But because now our spiritual senses are all sleeping, our original consciousness is also sleeping. Therefore, even though he is there within this sound, it is only by faith that we have to feel his presence. We cannot feel the presence of Shuddhanama with our tongue, with our ears now. Krishna is so kind, knowing our limitation, to touch him transcendentally. He takes avatara in the sound that we chant, which is full of all the Shaktis of the Lord, Satta, Chittanananda Shakti. And through this Shakti Aveshanama, the Shuddhanama, Krishna, receives our service of engaging our sense, tongue, engaging our mind, engaging our ears to serve him with our consciousness. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mamaiveshi satyam te pratikjnane priyosime. The biggest secret is to always remember Krishna. Manmana bhava madbhakto. Keep Krishna always in one's mind, in one's chittam, consciousness. That's the greatest truth. And that truth we can easily practice by always keeping Krishna on our tongue, ears and mind. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us how to practice Manmana Bhava Madbhakto is by Kirtaniya, Sadahari. 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 Sadah So the most important thing during japa you have to understand, because Krishna has come down as sound. A sound can enter your mind through the ears. That means hearing is very important. Now we are conditioned by our mind, we live where the mind goes. My mind goes there, I also go there. If my mind is here, then I also go there. I am riding on the vehicle of the mind. Just like you sit in a car, wherever the car goes, you also go. In the same way, wherever my mind goes, I go. So if my mind goes on Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, I am also taken there. I also go there. Rather, we should utilize our mind to always go towards Krishna by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, when you start japa, keep this in mind. This is a different relationship and a different activity than any other activity, which is all my interaction with limited things. Limited person is dealing with limited things and limited persons. And the output also will be limited. That is the world of karma. But the moment you start japa, you know that, no, I am now, next 2 hours, I am going to interact with the all-loving, limitless, Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Our mind has to understand that. The sound is unlimited, form is unlimited, his activities are unlimited, his shaktis are unlimited. And that is what now I am touching, that's what I am connecting myself to. Unlimited intelligence, unlimited beauty, unlimited power. Whatever, there is no difference between Krishna and Krishna Nama. All Krishna's wonderful qualities are also qualities of Krishna Nama. In fact, Krishna himself tells Arjuna the glories of his holy name. When he comes as holy name, he is more merciful, more compassionate. Just simply by hearing, you are able to touch him. There is no difference between Krishna's sound body or physical body. He can take unlimited forms. So Shabda Krishna is Purna Krishna. Like Rupa Krishna, naturally we easily accept it's Purna Krishna, here is Krishna. But because of our conditioning, when it comes to sound, we don't feel that, oh, here Krishna is before me. So once you have that Shraddha, that feeling, then automatically respect will come. Automatically Preeti will come. Automatically Utsaha will come. Automatically you will chant and hear from your heart, Hrit Purvaka Japa. And then various Bhavanas that you are all aware of. The 16 Bhavanas which we can. The beautiful relationship of the soul with the Supreme Lord. Each of those Bhavanas are beautiful feelings for the Supreme Lord Krishna. Bhajatam Preeti Purvakam. We serve Him with Preeti, we serve Him with gratitude, we serve Him with apeksha, we serve Him with recognition that I am the recipient of His mercy, I am the Kripa Patra, I am the recipient of His protection, I am the Raksha Patra, I am the recipient of His taking care of me, my life, Bharta Patra. Already, not you asking Him future. Already I am a recipient of your Kripa, I am already a recipient of your Raksha, I am already a recipient of your Bharta. Patra means you are the recipient. You are the Kripa Patra. A devotee who chants 16 rounds, his life is beyond his karma. Everything good and bad, materially measured, is all gift from Krishna. Everything is prasadam for a Vaishnava, beyond karma. So that is the Kripa Patra. Begging forgiveness for not being in proper consciousness, to receive Him as the sound, to honor Him as the sound, to respect Him as a sound, to love Him as a sound. Because of my stone-heartedness, I made so many offenses to you. The most important of that offense is when you are before me on my tongue, my mind has travelled ignoring you into so many other things, limited things. Instead of fixing my mind on the unlimited, my mind has strayed away into the limited. Japa time, exclusively your time with the unlimited, your interaction with the limited, unlimited, your relationship with the unlimited, your relationship with the infinite, your relationship with the reservoir of Satchidananda, your relationship with the infinite reservoir of love, Nama Prabhu. So, too many things, every time I tell, it gets crowded in your mind. So today the most important message I am giving, which you can take it in your mind. Any time you are doing japa, please understand, it is not limited to limited interaction, but it is a limited to unlimited interaction. The unlimited is, you are dealing with the unlimited. Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu ki, Vishwaguru Srila Prabhupada ki.